The chairman of the SADC organ on Defense, Politics and Security Cooperation and President of Zambia, Honorable Mr. Honai Hichilema, reiterated that SADC was never going to turn its back on its SADC Electoral Observation Mission SEOM report on Zimbabwe. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before I go any further, I would like to emphasize that this is not our news but simply outsourced from the newspaper Africa Beautiful or Ruined. If you'd like to confirm, you can simply search for it on your Facebook search engine. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates. The SADC Troika Organ Chairman, on his closing remarks at the SADC Organ Troika Plus on March 23rd here in Lusaka, Zambia, said the political stability in Zimbabwe was vital as it affects the economic prosperity of other SADC member states, Zambia included. President Hichilema said there was no way SADC was going to sweep the SEOM report on Zimbabwe elections under the carpet, as a politically stable Zimbabwe was in the best interest of all SADC member states. Disputed Zimbabwe President Emmerson Mnangagwa attended the summit, which we reported a couple of weeks ago would follow after the SADC Ministerial Committee held in Luanda, Angola. This is today's news about Zambian President Hichilema, stating that SADC can't abandon its SEOM report on Zimbabwe elections. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates.